Hey everyone, welcome to Bellampalle. This charming town is nestled in the heart of Telangana, and it's a place that beautifully blends the old with the new. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone who enjoys vibrant cultural experiences, Bellampalle has something to offer for everyone. It's a cool town in the Peddapalli district of Telangana, known for its rich history and industrial significance. The town is surrounded by lush greenery and scenic landscapes that make it a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. Bellampalle is conveniently located about 100 kilometers from our capital, Hyderabad. This proximity makes it an accessible destination for both locals and tourists who are looking to explore the lesser-known gems of Telangana. The town has a really interesting history, and it's a big deal for industry. Bellampalle is home to several historic landmarks that tell the story of its past while also being a hub for coal mining and other industrial activities. This unique combination of history and industry gives Bellampalle a distinct character. It's like a mix of old and new, which is pretty neat. Walking through the streets of Bellampalle, you'll see a blend of historic buildings and modern constructions, each telling its own story. This juxtaposition of the past and the present is what makes Bellampalle so fascinating. Bellampalle is in a really pretty part of Telangana, surrounded by hills and lots of green. The natural beauty of the area is truly breathtaking, with rolling hills and lush landscapes that provide a serene backdrop to the town's vibrant life. Lots of different people from all over India live and work here, making it a real melting pot of cultures. The diversity of Bellampalle is one of its greatest strengths, with people from various backgrounds coming together to create a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. That's what makes Bellampalle so special. The town is known for its vibrant cultural festivals and community events that bring people together in celebration. These events are a testament to the strong sense of community and the rich cultural heritage of Bellampalle. The people there are super friendly and welcoming. One of the first things you'll notice when you visit Bellampalle is the warmth and hospitality of its residents. The locals are always ready to greet you with a smile and make you feel at home. You'll always see a smile when you visit. And the food, the culinary scene in Bellampalle is something you definitely don't want to miss. From traditional Telangana dishes to street food, there's a wide variety of flavors to explore. Get ready for some amazing Telangana flavors. The local cuisine is a delightful mix of spices and flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're trying a traditional dish or sampling street food, the food in Bellampalle is sure to leave a lasting impression. Bellampalle really does have something for everyone. From its rich history and industrial significance to its natural beauty and cultural diversity, this town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So come and explore Bellampalle and experience all that it has to offer. Coal mining is super important to Bellampalle. This small town in the heart of India has built its entire identity around the coal mines that dot its landscape. The coal extracted here is often referred to as black diamonds because of its immense value to the local and national economy. It's like the backbone of its economy. Without coal mining, Bellampalle would be a very different place. The industry provides jobs to thousands of people, from miners to truck drivers and even those working in local businesses that support the mining community. The economic ripple effect is substantial. The Bellampalle coal mines are run by the Singareni Collieries Company Limited, which we call SCCL. SCCL has been a cornerstone of the Indian coal industry for decades, managing multiple mines across the region. Their expertise and commitment to safety and efficiency have made them a trusted name in the industry. SCCL is a really big coal company in India. They are not just big in terms of the volume of coal they produce, but also in their impact on the community. SCCL invests in local infrastructure, healthcare and education, making a significant difference in the lives of the people in Bellampalle. These mines have been around for a long time and are really important for India's energy. The history of coal mining in Bellampalle dates back to the early 20th century. Over the years, the technology and methods have evolved, but the importance of these mines has remained constant. They are a testament to the enduring spirit of the community. They send coal to power plants all over the country, especially the big one in Ramagundam. The coal from Bellampalle is known for its high quality, making it a preferred choice for power plants. This ensures a steady supply of electricity to millions of homes and businesses, fueling progress and development. The Bellampalle OCP2 coal mine is a big part of this, producing tons of coal every year. This open-cast project is one of the most productive in the region, thanks to modern machinery and efficient mining techniques. The coal extracted here plays a crucial role in meeting the energy demands of the country. It's had some tough times, but it's still super important for Bellampalle. The mining industry has faced challenges such as fluctuating coal prices and environmental concerns. However, the resilience of the miners and the support from SCCL have ensured that the mines continue to operate, providing a lifeline to the community. The landscape of Bellampalle is a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. Bellampalle isn't just about coal, it's got a rich culture and history too. People here love to celebrate festivals like Bathukama and Dasara. Bathukama is a flower festival celebrated by women, and Dasara is a 10-day party celebrating good over evil. During these festivals, the town is bursting with colour, music and dancing. Folk songs and stories are a big part of Bellampalle's history. They've been passed down for generations and tell us about the lives and values of the people here. Getting around Bellampalle is easy. It's well connected to other places in Telangana and India. The train station is run by the South Central Railway Zone and has regular trains to Hyderabad, Karimnagar and other big cities. It's always busy with people coming and going. Roads and highways connect Bellampalle to nearby towns and villages. Lots of buses and cars use these well-maintained roads, and being connected to the national highway makes it easy to move goods and people. Education is really important in Bellampalle. There are lots of good schools and colleges here. Parents know that education is key for their children's future. The literacy rate here shows how much Bellampalle cares about education. Government schools and colleges are affordable for everyone, and there are private ones for special courses too. Some students go to bigger cities like Karimnagar and Hyderabad for more advanced studies, looking for new opportunities. Bellampalle is changing fast. The coal industry has brought a lot of growth and development. You see new buildings, shops and restaurants popping up everywhere. The roads are getting better and new neighborhoods are being built. The government is working hard to make life better for everyone. This growth has been good, but it also has challenges. Bellampalle is dealing with pollution and waste, which are important things to fix. Bellampalle has a great history and an even brighter future. Nestled in the heart of India, this town has seen a transformation like no other. From its humble beginnings to its current state, Bellampalle has always been a place of resilience and growth. The town's journey is a testament to the spirit of its people and their unwavering determination to build a better future. Coal has been a big part of its story, but it's more than just a coal town. The coal mines have provided employment to thousands, shaping the lives of many families. The miners, with their hard work and dedication, have laid the foundation for the town's prosperity. However, Bellampalle's identity is not confined to its coal mines. The town has diversified its economy, embracing new industries and opportunities. It's a place where old traditions meet modern life. Walking through the streets of Bellampalle, one can witness the harmonious blend of the past and the present. The bustling street markets with their vibrant colors and rich aromas are a nod to the town's cultural heritage. At the same time, modern infrastructure and new buildings stand as symbols of progress and development. The people here are proud of their culture and are excited about the future. Festivals and celebrations are an integral part of life in Bellampalle. These events bring the community together, fostering a sense of unity and belonging. The residents take pride in their traditions, passing them down from generation to generation, while also looking forward to the opportunities that lie ahead. Bellampalle is growing quickly, and that's bringing lots of changes. The town is witnessing a construction boom with new buildings and infrastructure projects springing up everywhere. This rapid growth is a sign of the town's evolving landscape and its readiness to embrace the future. The new developments are not just about physical structures, they represent the aspirations and dreams of the people of Bellampalle. It's a town on the rise, showing how industry and culture can work together. Bellampalle is a shining example of how industrial growth can coexist with cultural preservation. The town's industries are thriving, providing jobs and boosting the local economy. At the same time, cultural events and activities continue to play a vital role in the community, ensuring that the town's rich heritage is not lost in the face of modernization. The people of Bellampalle are working hard to make their town a great place to live, balancing growth with taking care of the environment. Environmental sustainability is a priority for the residents. Initiatives like tree planting and cleanup drives are common, reflecting the community's commitment to preserving their natural surroundings. The people of Bellampalle understand that true progress is not just about economic growth, but also about maintaining a healthy and sustainable environment for future generations.